this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do a hard factory reset to your Samsung Galaxy Tab, that is A9 Plus or any other version of Samsung Tab. So the tab is here. We'll go directly to the setting option. Here we go, we have setting. If you don't see here at the search, you can type also setting. Here we go. At the setting option, you have to go down here where it says about tablet and device, and you have to come to this option. It says reset. I click this one. So here you have reset all setting, reset Wi-Fi setting, Bluetooth setting, reset accessibility setting, and the last one, factory data reset. Go inside. So it will erase every account, everything your tablet is connected inside. Then you have to put back again, or if you want to sell this tablet, you can do that. But before doing reset, I recommend you to do a backup of everything. You can do account and backup. Here you can see, go inside account and backup. You see here backup data in Samsung Cloud, backup in Google Drive. So you have two-way backup in Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. You can go inside backup option. You have to sign in to your Google account and do a backup there. Also Samsung Cloud, you go inside Samsung Cloud. You have to connect with your Samsung account to backup in your Samsung Cloud, all the setting and other stuff. Please do a backup of everything before reset your tablet. You may lose some data or other thing. After doing that, you have to come back again here, reset option. Go inside. Go at the bottom, factory data reset. More down here, you have reset button. Click this one. Delete all is resetting. The tablet will restart couple of times, so you have to wait. See Samsung logo, secured by Knox, powered by Android, One UI. Now you have to do all the setup as you had done for the first time. Hit start button and do the setup. Okay guys, this is the way you can do a hard factory reset to your Samsung Galaxy A9 Plus version. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.